Imagine traveling from one city to another faster than a jet, but smoother than a train. No wings, no tracks, just a sleek capsule flying inside a giant tube. This is the vision behind the Hyperloop, a futuristic transport system first proposed by Elon Musk. But how does this incredible system actually work? And can it really change the way we travel forever? Let's dive into the science and engineering that make the Hyperloop possible. Picture this: you board a pod in Los Angeles. In just 30 minutes, you reach San Francisco. That's 600 kilometers away in half an hour. That means speeds over 1,000 kilometers per hour. But how can something on land move that fast? The secret lies in two powerful ideas: vacuum and magnetic levitation. First, let's talk about the vacuum. Traditional trains push through air, which causes drag. The faster they go, the more resistance they face. But the Hyperloop removes almost all of that air. It runs inside a sealed tube with near vacuum pressure. This means almost no air resistance at all. The pod can glide effortlessly like a plane flying in space. Next comes magnetic levitation. The Hyperloop pod doesn't touch the ground. It hovers above the track using powerful magnets. This removes friction completely. No wheels, no rails, just pure smooth motion. The pod is propelled forward using linear electric motors. These motors create magnetic waves that push and pull the pod along the tube. It's like surfing on invisible magnetic energy. Now, here's where it gets even smarter. The tube is designed to be completely sealed and elevated. That means no traffic, no weather problems, no delays. Solar panels on top of the tube could power the entire system, making it a clean and sustainable form of transport. Inside each pod, passengers sit in small groups for comfort and safety. The interior is designed to minimize motion sickness even at extreme speeds. Advanced air compressors at the front of the pod balance air pressure, so the ride feels stable and quiet. But you might be wondering, is it really possible? Engineers around the world are testing prototypes right now. Companies like Virgin Hyperloop have already carried passengers in test runs. They proved that the concept works at lower speeds. The next challenge is scaling it safely for long distances. Vacuum tubes must be perfectly sealed to prevent leaks. Magnetic systems need precise control for stability, and building hundreds of kilometers of tubes will cost billions. But if these challenges are solved, the Hyperloop could redefine transportation forever. Imagine living in one city and working in another with just a short ride between them. A future where distance no longer limits connection. That's the power of Hyperloop, the dream to move at the speed of the future.